Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at imperatives. What are imperatives? These are imperatives. Go, help, come. And we use imperatives in expressions like come in, have a cup of tea, or turn left at the post office, or don't touch, it's hot. So we use imperatives to give instructions, like don't forget your passport. We also use them to give warnings. Look out, there's a car coming. We can also use the imperative to give advice. Take a coat, it's cold outside. We can ask people to do things. Listen to this song, it's beautiful. We use imperatives to offer things. Have another cup of coffee. And we use imperatives to wish things. Have a nice holiday. Imperatives in English. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.